Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing a fabulous week. Today we are going to pick the 3 winners of my VIP lounge giveaway. If you wonder what's the VIP lounge, is a monthly subscriptions that I offer on my website, where every month you get digital papers with gift boxes, discount codes, etc, etc. Let me show you everything. Okay guys, so for the VIP lounge for the month of July, today this is the cover. So the inspiration is yellow tones and a lot of shabby vintage ephemera. The reason why I called it shabby tapestry is because I wanted to create a papers that remind me of tapestry, like something that you walk into a very vintage house. You got this lovely pattern on a sofa or on the wallpaper or even on the carpet. And I wanted to create something with yellow. Yellow is not a color that I use a lot for no reasons. It's just I personally think I'll be overwhelmed by the color, not reasons. But anyway, I created this kit and I'm going to show you page by page. It's whopping huge large kit. It has different backgrounds and geometric motifs, ephemera, etc. So just going to show you page by page. I'm just going to turn it over this side. In fact, no, I'm just going to put this over there. You get another page with a yellow, I know it's yellow, but it's more like a brownish, yellowish, goldish sand color damask. You got another page. I put some lace here. I layered some ephemera, some buttons, and then of course a lot of flowers. This is another page. I want to come back to this in a minute and I'll show you why, but this is a collage of different yellow tiles, Mediterranean yellow tiles. I'm going to put this on the side and I'll come back to that. You get a page with some ephemera. So you've got some butterflies there, some little embellishment that you can fussy cut. You get one page with 4 different background scaled into 4 rectangulars. So this is amazing if you do greetings cards, because you can just fussy cut it, put a sentiment and off you go. And also if you do vintage journal pages or cards, you get a page of butterflies for you guys to fussy cut. Again, all yellow and brown and orangey, because all pages that I have designed are meant to mix and match. Okay, so all the kits that I've designed are very large because you can, you know, create a mix and match. Another background here full of ephemera, flowers, etc. You got another version. I've used a lot of like dark tones and edged a little bit. This is one of my favorite page. Ta-da-da, look at that, love it. This is probably one of my favorite I made this year. You get one page with the tags. I'm going to leave it outside because I'll come back to that as well. You got another geometric page. What I've done, I created this pattern and I repeated it. I think it works because I love the contrast of the flower with the geometric. I think it really works because it's the same color palette. Another geometric here. Again, I used stripes and more like an organic flower there. Similar pattern with the tiles, and I just put some flowers on top, and this is the last piece. So there is a lot of pages. Now I don't want to spoil it because I'm going to do a separate videos, but the beauty of my digital papers, to be fair, with all digital papers, that you can print the page that you want instead of print them all. I don't buy cardstock anymore. Of course I made my own paper, but the beauty of digital papers that you can print in any surfaces. So I've got a few things I want to show you. I print some of the pages into music sheets. So what I've done, I cut an A4 music sheet paper, put through my printer, and I print my page on top of it. So you get this lovely extra background. And I've done the same with this page here. So I print all these butterflies on here. Okay, so that's the plain music sheet notes, and that's the reverser. So this is what, and the print is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'm really pleased with that. And then one thing I wanted to show you, but we do a separate project on that, is that you can print my digital into vellum. Okay, so what I've done, and I don't know if you can probably see if I do that. So I have printed my tags into vellum. Okay, so this is purely vellum paper, but I'm going to do a separate project with this. So keep watching, guys, keep watching. Okay, so let me come back to, because it's not finished yet. So when I designed this page, my brain went, woo, had an explosion. So I have this coaster on my desk. Okay, so this is from my home village in Italy. I bought this last time when me and Jamie went to visit my family. It's a coaster, so you've got cork on the base, and this is a tile. This is a proper tile that is being cut. Okay, so what I've done, in additional gift to all my VIP members for July, I created a mini kit taking inspiration from this. So when I designed this, I thought to myself, oh my god, what this will look like with blues and yellow. So that's the answer. So I created this page here, so you get this for free as well. Okay, so this is an additional gift for this month. This one here, I gave you an extra page with all these lemons made into stamps that you can simply fussy cut. And then this one here, so I'll try to create a similar geometric motifs, and I just put some lemons on top. I think it works. I'm really pleased with it. I mean, I'm gonna show you on camera. It's beautiful, and the colors are very vibrant, as you can see from my print. Okay, so you get two, well, you get a large paper pack, you get an additional free mini pack. Also, you get the letter gift box. This month is letter O. So this is the template that you can print. And also there is a private video showcasing how to make this. And I'm going to show you what the letter O look like when it's all done up. Okay, so this is letter O when it's all done up. It's beautiful, really nice. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we made so far. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. Of course, my VIP members get this for free. But if you want to purchase them singularly, they are available on my website as a bundle as well. Okay, guys, so if you click on antoniomakes.com, just here in the bar, this is my website. This is my homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there it is. So the VIP Lounge, if you are anything like me, that crafting is just a hobby, but it's like a daily joy, a moment of calm, and a space that we can together, guys, create something together with our hands. This is the platform for you. What is the VIP Lounge? It's a monthly membership plan. Okay, so I've got two options. The first one, which is the monthly payment, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So digital papers, my ebook, my workshops. Digital papers back sent to your email address. So I'll do this for you. Every month I send a paper to your email. You just need to check your spam or junk email box, because sometimes, depends on your privacy setting, the emails can end up there. and also get a monthly offer or a gift. This can be anything, can be a free kit, can be a discount, can be an offer on my website, etc. And also every month you get a gift box template with a private video on how to put it together. Okay, you can also decide to join yearly, so this is the bestseller option. So you pay once, okay, and you subscribe for 12 months. Okay, so when you do that, of course, it's cheaper. So the subscription will last for 12 months, starting on the month that you join. You get the same, so you get 30% discount, digital paper packs, a monthly offer, a box template. But when you join the yearly subscription, you get £5 Insta voucher to spend on the website. Again, you can buy any digital papers, you can get my ebook for cheaper, and of course my junk journal workshop as well. And that's the spirit behind my VIP lounge. It's a special place I create for fellow paper lovers who wants a bit more magic every month. Every month, my VIP members receive exclusive bundles, and all of these guys are really, really looking forward to have you part of this community. And it's more than just digital paper. I believe it's a year of creativity, surprise, and of course, some savings as well if you join the yearly one. I'm so looking forward, guys, to see you all in here. Let's now pick the 3 winners of this month giveaway. Okay guys, so this is, I always use pickawinner.com because it's a free website where you simply put the YouTube link of the video and then the system automatically get the comments. Of course, if there are spam comments, they get filtered. Okay, so let's pick 3 winners. So pick winner number 1 is Cozy Brick Cape. I will make a beautiful yellow rose journal for myself because yellow roses are my favorite. Thank you. So congratulations. Winner number 2 is Limas1139. Thank you for the opportunity to win those amazing papers. I will make some vintage cards. I love how you printed the digital on the music sheet. Yeah, I love printing digitals on any different materials because, as I said to any videos, guys, the beauty of digital papers is that you can print them on anything, not just simply copy paper. You can print them on literally everything that can go through your printer. If I can speak, winner number 3 is Jacqueline Condering 7582. What a nice beautiful kit, beautiful colors. Thanks for the opportunity. You are very, very welcome, sweetheart. Okay guys, congratulations to the 3 amazing winners, and a big thank you to every single one of you for participating to my giveaway. As I always say, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you. At least every month I give the chance for you guys to win something in exchange for your love and support, and it's really, really much appreciated. Guys, if you like this video, please consider leaving a very big thumbs up because it really supports with my journey here on YouTube. I will see you on Friday for a fabulous Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.